Hello and welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Datacake and the cheap and affordable Dragino LHT52N-52 sensor. This one here actually to monitor temperature, humidity, mold risk, dew point and things like that and get customized alerts all for free for the first 5 devices on Datacake. So in this workspace, there's already a LoRaWAN gateway. If you have a LoRaWAN gateway, you can bring it on Datacake using the Datacake LNS option. Simply add your gateway using Datacake directly. This is placed here in my office, and now I'm going to add the Dragino device. Let's go on Devices, click on Add Device, LoRaWAN, Next. And now we offer various kinds of templates. I'm going to search up for the LHT52. Click on that, and now I'm asked to choose the network server. I'm going to use the Datacake LNS. In this case, click on Next, and now I need to provide dev EUI. I copy-pasted them before. App EUI, and the app key. Frequency, I am in Europe. Device class is class number A. For those of you who are new to LoRaWAN, the numbers I just pasted, dev EUI, app EUI, and app key are usually on the package or in the package somewhere. Some device manufacturers offer Bluetooth or NFC apps that you can use to read out these informations, but in this case, they are on a sticker inside of this package. We provide all of these required information. Give this a name, LHT52 sensor. Click on Next, and now you are required to choose a plan or pay as you go. We also have different kinds of plans available for mass scaling accounts. We also support devices for free. We support maximum of 5 devices per workspace free. I'm going to select the free plan, add this device, and this has now been added to the workspace. Let's search up for it. LHT52, there it is. And when you add the device to Datacake, it comes with a template dashboard that's also attached to that device actually. Now what we need to do is fire this sensor up. In this case, this sensor does not come with a battery installed. It requires 3 AAA batteries, 2 AAA batteries. I'm going to put them into the device. It also starts communicating now. You can see a light in here, and in a few seconds, the long green indicates that it has connected to the network server. We can see the battery has been transmitted already. I think it acquires a couple of data rate, temperature and humidity, and you can see the temperature and humidity reflected on the dashboard as well. We have temperature from 23.4 degrees Celsius, humidity. There's the option to attach an external probe. Right now it's not connected. Let me just bring in casing again. Right now the external probe is not connected. That means that we do not receive any external data. We do have these alert fields coming with the sensor. Right now this is a generic alert. Everything is good. There's no mold risk. There's no high humidity, no low humidity. Temperature is also in a suitable range. If it would be too high or too low, it would indicate using these alert fields. Next, you can go ahead, pick the rule engine or our rules, and then basically select the sensor and then trigger on a new measurement. For example, if we want to trigger on the general air quality alarm, we can do that and see if that is true. So if there is an air quality alarm, we can configure an action, an email, webhook, or SMS. I'm going to show you the points that are available, and we can then, let's say, the current temperature, humidity. I also need the mold risk, mold index, mold risk, and then we can see like temperature. This is how you can use Datacake with cheap devices and the gateway directly integrated into Datacake to set up your mold risk monitoring notification use case on Datacake within a couple of minutes. You would be able, let's save this, mold air quality alert, save. If you buy more of these sensors, you can now go ahead to LoRaWAN Next, and then instead of doing the same things again that I just did, you can select existing product, which are the products that you have added on your workspace, then the Dragino device Next, and you just basically add a couple of devices or use a CSV importing file, and then they all look the same like this one here, and they all get monitored using the same rule that we just created. That's it. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.